Ladies and gentlemen, I am back again with another session. And today the topic is very nice, and you will surely listen to me till the end of this one. So, without doing any further delay, let's do it. Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. So how are you? Let's start with a sip of water, but I have water. So, why YouTube feels like magic, but it isn't? Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to YouTube to watch one video? Obviously, you have. And suddenly it's 2 a.m. You don't remember clicking refresh. You don't remember waiting. You don't remember anything loading. It just flows. Almost like YouTube is saying, relax, I will handle everything. Now imagine if YouTube behaved like websites from 2010. You click a video, widescreen, loading, reload, header appears, sidebar appears, everything reveals. Annoying, right? You would have lived it. But YouTube doesn't do that. And that's where genius begins. You think you are moving between pages. You are not. You are standing in one giant you are standing in one giant room. Only the furniture moves. This is called single page applications SPA, and it's the reason YouTube feels like butter. Instead of rebuilding the whole house every time you open a door, it just changes the painting on the wall. Same structure, different content, smooth, fast, almost invisible. And when technology becomes invisible, that's when it becomes powerful. So let's be honest. Imagine if YouTube reloaded every time you clicked. You would see the wide screen flash. You would lose your scroll positions, comments will disappear, suggestion will reset, and you will feel friction. And friction is dangerous because humans are lazy. The moment something feels heavy, we close it. YouTube understood human psychology better than most engineers understand code. So let me be clear about this once again. YouTube understands human psychology better than most engineers understand code. They knew if we remove waiting, people will stay. So they didn't just optimize speed, they optimized patience. Patience. When you click a video, does the whole page reload? Does the whole page reload? Does the whole page reloads? No. Only the video player changes. Only the data upgrades. Everything else stays alive. It's like your brain. Your brain doesn't restart every time you hear a new sentence. It process changes. That's SPA thinking. And YouTube scale that thinking globally. Billions of users, billions of clicks, and yet it feels personal, immediate, instant. And that's not accidental, that's the architectural intelligence. So, YouTube didn't win just because of videos, they won because they understood interruptions. In today's world, speed is equal to trust, smoothness is equal to comfort, and continuity is equal to addiction. SPA gave them all three. And here's the deeper lesson. Most people try to improve performance by adding power. YouTube improved performance by removing unnecessary loads. They didn't make things heavier, they made them lighter. This is bigger than websites. Think about your life. How many times do we restart everything when only one thing needs to change? One mistake, restart. One failure, quit. One delay, panic. What if we thought like a spear? Keep the structure, update the part that matters, move forward smoothly. That's growth. That's evolutions, and that's intelligence. Next time you click a YouTube video and it opens instantly, don't just say nice internet, say brilliant architecture. Because behind the smooth scroll, behind the infinite recommendation, and behind the seamless transition, it is it a powerful idea? Is it is a power is a powerful idea? Don't reload the world. Don't reload the world. Just updates that matter. That just update that matters. And that's why YouTube just doesn't feels like a website. It feels like an experience. Next time you click another video on YouTube, be sure that you know about how YouTube is working and why do you don't feel like spending a lot of time in YouTube. And that's how the world is changing. That's it for today, guys. I will be meeting you in the next one. Thank you, and I'm El Stavros, and I will be meeting you in the next topic. Till then, bye bye.